Hi, everyone. Welcome to our CANASA presentation. We are very excited to introduce new products from UniView as well as our in-house Petawise brand. I'd like to first introduce myself as well as my colleague Ronnie, who is going through this presentation with me. My name is Samuel Saavedra. I am based out of Montreal, Quebec. My colleague Ronnie Junaidi is based out of British Columbia. Combined, we bring over 10 years of experience in the CCTV industry, working for major brands such as Hikvision and Avigilon. All right. Petawise was basically founded in 2015. It's based out of Toronto. Petawise focuses on developing and selling products for the North American market. We have a wide range of solutions from CCTV to access control products. So why choose Petawise? Well, we offer a wide variety of quality and cost-friendly solutions. Our products can be integrated with multiple vendors using its on-brief protocol. We currently have offices in Toronto and Vancouver, and we offer pre and post sales consulting services, as well as technical support in either English, French, Spanish, from 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. Eastern Time from Monday to Friday. Our warehouse is strategically located in Toronto, Ontario, to provide expedite shipments. Our showroom is also located at our Toronto sales office. I'll go ahead and pass over the microphone to my colleague Ronnie. He will go over some of the UniView products.
All right. Thank you, Sam. So the first product I'm going to be going over is our laser IR positioning system. This camera has a 55x zoom lens and an optical image stabilization for getting jitter-free video. It also comes with our Starlight low light sensor, which is optimized for low light scenes. The varifocal laser IR is able to reach 1,000 meters and has a built-in wiper. Right. The next camera is our thermal PTZ. It comes with two sensors, a thermal and a CMOS 4 megapixel sensor. The thermal lens can detect fires and intrusions that can be linked to trigger an action such as a fire alarm, or trigger the CMOS sensor to zoom into the intrusion area for a clear image. It also comes with our optical image stabilization. All right. We offer multiple NVRs from small scale units with built-in extended range PoE of up to 250 meters to our large scale 800 series NVRs that can support up to 256 channels with hotspot RAID and N1 hot spare for recording redundancy. This model can support up to 24 drives and can be extended with the two mini SAS interfaces for up to 144 drives. All right. So Samuel's going to be taking over and introducing the next devices.
Thank you, Ronnie.
Go ahead, Sam.
All right. So here is our AI intelligent NVR. This model can perform facial recognition functions. The facial recognition functions will basically allow you to search by picture as well as creating your own data library for facial recognition purposes. With this model, we would also like to introduce our people flow control solutions. Using this feature, you will have the ability to monitor and control the number of people in any given time and space. This would be a perfect solution with our current pandemic. The following video will illustrate the device in action. So you will notice the green dot. Basically, the green dot means, okay, we can let people in. As soon as we go over the threshold or reach the capacity, it will turn red, meaning no more people allowed. All right. And just to give a little bit more information about the NVR, it also comes with two dry relay outputs. So basically, it can be set to trigger any devices of your choice, going from electric door locks to sirens or alarms, anything like that. All right. So here is our interactive smart display. It comes loaded with Android OS, which already has a huge app library. With the ability to add an extra accessory module, which will basically support Windows 10. It can do screen sharing as well as multi-screencast, perfect for conference use, meetings, or presentation, as it is being offered in the 65, 75, and 86 inches. The smart display comes with a stylus pen and can support up to 20 multi-points using an infrared technology. The following video will illustrate the device in action. All right, I hope you guys enjoyed this little demonstration. For the next feature products, I'll let Ronnie go ahead and take over.
Thank you. So over to our IPC 3534 harness-free camera. The camera is like any other UniView camera with a motorized varifocal lens, two-way audio, micro SD card support, and human body detection. Unlike other cameras, this is a harness-free camera, and as you can see from the image, the camera has all the connections internally, making for an easy and clutter-free installation. All right. So that will bring an end to our UniView product presentation. Now we'll be introducing our Petawise brand. We recently introduced our Petawise brand. The Petawise product provides great quality with competitive pricing. All our cameras are NDAA compliant, as well as fully ONVIF certified for excellent cross-platform compatibility with major VMs such as Genetec, Milestone, and so on. We take pride in our low RMA rates that is competitive with some of the top brands. All our cameras and NVRs are backed by a 3-year warranty. The Petawise brand is currently available through Cynix Canada. All right, thank you. So, Sam will introduce the following product.
Thank you, Ronnie. So here is one of our cameras from the Colorhunter series. So we all know that most crimes happen at night, which provides more convenient conditions for criminals. Our Colorhunter series guarantees a video with colorful details when you need them. These cameras also comes with smart intrusion features which can do the difference between a human and a vehicle for false alarm filtering. This model here comes with a built-in microphone, so you can listen to whatever is happening in front of the camera. It can also house a micro SD card, so like that you don't lose any footage in case it loses connection to the NVR. Once the connection between the camera and the NVR is reestablished, the footage is sent back to the NVR. All right. So here's a little short video showing you guys the this camera in action. So one of the main difference you will see from this camera to the other models of cameras that we have is basically its aperture size, which is 1.0. All right, you will get basically a detailed, colorful image just like this one here. And how we do that is with those two LEDs under the lens, which provide light up to 30 meters. So this is the image you would get instead of getting your standard IR black and white image. Also, a big challenge we have for 5-megapixel cameras and the CCTV industry would be the aspect ratio. So our camera supports the 16:9 resolution and is also IP67 rated. All right. So here is our 5-megapixel active deterrence PTZ camera. The main purpose of this camera is to scare away intruders. It also comes with a built-in microphone and a speaker to activate its two-way communication functions. The camera comes with preloaded messages, so we can also give the intruder an audible warning. You are also able to upload your own messages. This camera also comes with the auto tracking feature, which will basically follow the intruder until it has left your property. The following video will illustrate the camera in action.
You are in the danger zone. Do not approach. Welcome.
All right, so soon you will see the strobe lights in action.
You are in the danger zone. Do not approach. You are in the danger zone. Do not approach. You are in the danger zone. Do not approach.
And the auto tracking features. It has detected a human and will follow it until it has left its field of view. All right, now here is our 8-megapixel active deterrence bullet camera. It shares the same purpose as the PTZ model we have just introduced, except that it is a fixed bullet camera. It comes with a built-in microphone and speaker as well for two-way audio communication. This bullet active deterrence camera can operate in 3 different modes. One would be IR mode, flash mode, and always on mode. Here's a little video illustrating the camera in action. So the first thing you will notice is that the camera can detect vehicles and humans. Whenever an animal crosses or enters the zone, it will not be detected. And here you can see the cars being targeted and then turning red once they cross your designated cross line. Perfect. All right. So for the rest of the presentation, I'll pass over the microphone to my colleague Ronnie.
Right, thank you, Sam. So here we have our Petawise line of switches. They're available from 4 to 24 ports with SFP optical uplink port. They all come with our Watchdog AI function, which basically restarts the camera if it doesn't detect the data connection to try to reestablish the connection. They also provide 2 high-power PoE ports that can supply up to 60 watts. We also offer our PoE splitter, the PW-PoE-P30, useful in situations where it would be difficult to run an Ethernet cable. You can use the splitter to connect 2 cameras with the existing run and provide up to 30 watts of power. Something to note about the switches, they are designed with the CCTV industry in mind. Our outdoor enclosed PoE switch is IP66 compliant. It also has the same AI watchdog function as the other switches, and also provides up to 60 watts for 2 ports. This is very useful in situations where it's difficult to place the switch indoors. You can place it outdoors. It is IP66 rated. The diagram below, where you can see illustrates the type of setups you can use these on. All right. Onto our speed gate. Our speed gate is very durable. It's made out of stainless steel and tempered glass. It can be used as standalone. It is integratable with third-party access control. It can support single or multi-lane setups with biometric verification, as well as access card and QR code support. The following video will show the gate in action.
Hi, this is Brian from Petawise. We're just going to demonstrate our Turnstile solution. It comes integrated with a face terminal for face recognition. We also have QR code reader and card reader that are built into the unit. We're just going to demonstrate how the unit works. So on this slide, free egress. That was the face terminal. So it does, it can do an activation based on face recognition. So we're gonna allow it to close and then we'll do a demonstration with the card reader. That's the Turnstile operating on a card reader. And then we're gonna do a demonstration with the QR code. And that's the Turnstile operating on with a QR code reader also. That's it.
All right, and now introducing our new Wi-Fi doorbell. This doorbell ships with a micro SD card, a digital chime, and the required accessories to connect a mechanical chime for an all-around easy setup, no matter the use case. This doorbell supports our mobile app. It's IM Smartify for remote access and monitoring. And unlike our competitors, there is no subscription fee. All right. So for more information, you can reach out to your regional sales engineer. We have Brian, which you might have just seen in the Doorgate presentation. He'll be taking care of the central Canada area. We have Samuel Saavedra, who'll be taking care of the eastern side of Canada. And myself, Ronnie, I'll be taking care of the western region for any system design questions or quotes for specific projects. Right. So that will bring our presentation to a close. Feel free to visit our virtual booth to enter and win in our lucky draw. You can also schedule a meeting with our team members for a one-on-one, as well as get a live video of our products straight from our office. All right. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you, everyone.